Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So I had just tried to do this recording once earlier and then my system just crashed. So I am not able to show you the lines from yesterday, or is that true? Let me just see if the Control Z works. Well, I do not think so. Let's just stick to what we have. We'll start the analysis afresh from the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Nifty, the bias is not sure. I'm sorry for saying bearish. Just going with the general sentimental flow. Now, why is it not sure? Because it has not created a higher low or a lower high. On the contrary, it has created a higher high and a lower low. That does I am not equipped to read any bias into these formations, so I would say it is not sure. Going into the weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame it is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because Nifty has created lower highs. There's a fair value gap created here, but I would not want to analyze weekly fair value gaps. I would move to lower time frames. No, for the time being, it is the daily time frame. So these are more tradable time frames. It means the information that you get from here is more useful for trades to be taken rather than on a monthly or a weekly time frame. Now, on a daily time frame, it is the bias is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because lower highs have been formed. Now, here we had done this analysis yesterday. If you had watched my video, this is a fair value gap that was formed. It's a bearish fair value gap, and the lower part of this candle is a liquidity zone, and as you can see, this level was respected yesterday. From here, where does it go? If Nifty decides to come down, then there are a few levels to watch out for. Like for example, this particular candle, it should ideally be the center of the body of the candle. And then there's a similar one here. Similar one here. So these are the immediate support levels that we are looking for. The areas where buyers have left their breadcrumbs of orders. Going over to the 4-hour time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is still bearish. So a low and a higher low, and that's bearish. Are there any important levels to look out for? Nothing that I want to look out right now. No. Going over to the hourly time frame, on hourly time frame, Nifty is at least not bearish. Is it bearish? No. In fact, Nifty has become bullish on an hourly time frame. This is a low. This is a higher low. This is a high. That high has been taken. So Nifty on an hourly time frame has become bullish. we have to see what happens from this liquidity zone if the sell orders are strong enough to sell it off, or Nifty can break the zone and climb to a new high. Well, this remains to be seen tomorrow. I am not a certified analyst and I do this just for educational purpose. Thank you.